follow me for a while, or if you've seen my Mumbai haul video, you would know that I was really excited to try a Forest Essentials product because I tried some of them while I was in Four Seasons and I love them to bits. So I went ahead and shopped some things from Forest Essentials. I got really excited when I got to know that Forest Essential is now available on Nykaa because it is an amazing way to be available where there is no offline presence of Forest Essentials, which are a lot of places in India. So I thought I would share what all I got from Nykaa and Forest Essentials with you guys. So I'm going to dive right into and show you guys what all I got. The first thing I got was this Velvet Silk Body Cream in the Nargis variant, and it retails for 1695 rupees or essentially 1700 rupees. And this is what the packaging looks like. It comes in this golden cap and normal body. The fragrance of this, however, it's amazing, guys. Like, I could smell this all day long. This is the type of fragrances that I love, and it's just so good. Like, I really like the fragrance of this cream. I haven't still tried any of these products out, so if you want me to do a review on any of these products, all you have to do is comment below and I would love to do a review for you guys. So next I went ahead and bought some products from the same range, because often if you see a product and they have complementary products with them, they all mention the fact that this will work best with that. So I thought, let's make them work the best. So I got everything from the Indian Rose Absolute range. So the first thing I have in my hand is the hair conditioner, which is 200 ml and it retails for 950 rupees. It comes in this normal plastic packaging with golden cap again, and it's a squeezy tube. This smells like rose mixed with some sort of a fruity fragrance. It's not stickly sweet, which is something I like simply because I'm not a very big fan of stickly sweet rose fragrances. I'm a person who likes Desi Gulab. Desi Gulab has a musky undertone, and me, my family, everyone just loves the fragrance of Desi Gulab. So yes, this was really nice. So as I was saying, it's not stickly sweet, so it's great for people who do not like extremely, sweet fragrances like me. Then I have the hair cleanser, which is not a shampoo, it's a cleanser, and it's free of a lot of bad stuff, which is good for your hair. So yes, this retails for 875 rupees again for 200 ml. One second. It smells exactly like rose chusky. If you've ever had rose chusky, that is what it smells like. Like, it honestly feels I'm gonna be putting rose chusky all over my hair, or even rose sharbat for that matter. It's not again stickly sweet, which is great. As I said, I'm not a very big fan of stickly sweet fragrances. Next up I have the Ultra Rich Body Lotion in the Indian Rose Absolute variant, and this retails for 1175 rupees for 200 ml, and it comes in a pump packaging, which is great because then you can control how much you want and stuff like that. The fragrance of this is like Desi Gulab. It has a musky undertone to it, and I really like it. Like, I would love to smell like this all day long, and that's why I got my last product, which was a body mist. This is in the rose and cardamom variant, and it comes in this cardboard box, and this retails for 1125 rupees. I'm going to show you how the packaging looks like. So this is what the packaging looks like from the inside, and the fragrance of this is like you have crushed 1,000 Desi Gulabs into this and made this like liquid thingy. It smells extremely divine, like extremely divine. So that was my mini haul, and because I did not have a lot of products, I thought I'd show this to you as a bonus video and not like a full-fledged haul video. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I am looking forward to try out these Forest Essentials products really soon. So yes, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Also, don't forget to check out all of my social media, which would be listed in the bottom bar down below. And I will see you guys next time. Till then, take care. Bye.